Richard, take it away.
Hold on, not live yet.
No, I was just prepping him so he could find his mute button.
Oh, okay.
His unmute button.
All right. Should be coming up. Moderators, let me know when all the things are working. That'd be great. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I see we are live on YouTube. Nice. Systems are coming up. Nicey nice. Okay, great. Moderators, let me know when everything is up and running and sounding good and looking amazing and all the stuff. Check, check, check. Check, check, check.
Waiting for it to load up.
Oh, okay. Checky check. Check, 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 check.
YouTube is good.
Okay, thank you. I see everybody over on TikTok. Everybody do me a favor. If you can see everything, type in a 1. Type in a 1.
TikTok is good.
Thank you. I see everybody over. Oh, good. Okay, I heard audio.
Yep, TikTok's good. YouTube's good.
Okay, good.
And WAP streaming live on WAP.
Okay,
good.
Perfect. Thank you. We're up on all the things and the stuff. All right, we should be good to go then. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. Ralph is out today taking care of some business. Mark is out on personal leave for a while. He's going to be chilling. So we're going to have Doug and some other people taking over for the futures in the afternoon. So you will see some new faces. It'll be amazing. We're so excited. I want to thank all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and appreciate you every day, along with all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. A little bit of admin work here real quick. We are looking for video editors. If you are interested in doing video editing for us, come over and see us right now. We will pay for it in our services. So we will exchange services. So if you would like to get services and or help us out, that would be great. Open up a help desk ticket. We want people creating YouTube videos, Facebook, streaming videos, TikTok videos, clips of things that we're doing off of the live, getting creative. So if you guys are interested in any of that and want to get paid in our services, open up a help desk ticket. We're looking right now. That'd be great. We're always looking for talent. If you have talents and any other abilities, always open up a help desk ticket. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Good. Mike says, I got some experience in editing. Perfect. Open up a help desk ticket. Let's talk. We'll see if that's something that you can do. That would be amazing. We appreciate it. We were, just so you guys know, we were pumping out, I think it was 150 videos a week. Nobody was watching the videos. So I turned it all off just to give you guys a heads up. In case you're like, oh my gosh, we were pumping. Nobody was watching them. Literally nobody was watching them. I was spending hundreds of thousands of dollars for nobody to watch my videos. So we kind of slowed that down. So we won't be paying for those services anymore, but we will gladly have service for service type of work for it. I mean, if it picks up and things happen and it's awesome, then, you know, we'll re-review it at that time. But It just made zero business sense for me to be spending that kind of money to get 60 people to watch a video showing how we make hundreds of millions of dollars, right? So it was kind of frustrating. We've produced over 3,000 videos on YouTube. We have more free training than anybody else in the world, and the best training, I might add. Proof is in the pudding. We have beaten every other community, company, business, and education center in the world that I know of for all retail traders. Period, point blank, no exceptions, no questions asked, done. We have produced the greatest stocks, options, and futures traders the world has ever seen before. Bar none, that's it. That should be on the bowling bag. We are the best of the best. And it's crazy that we can't get people to click a video. Whatever. If that isn't what you guys want, then so be it, right? We're going to find you wherever you're at. That's our job, right? We're trying to find you wherever you are. That's why we are live so much. That's why we're everywhere all the time trying to help you out. The difference between us and everyone else is we can train anyone, any walk of life, to show you exactly what we do. Obviously, we can't guarantee results and money and profit and all the things, but we can train anyone. Every millionaire that we made, with the exception of 2 out of the 16 people, had ever day traded a day in their lives. We have now moved 6 people into over $20 million in profits in the last 3.5 years. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody on earth has ever done what American Dream Trading is doing. It's funny, I was reviewing price structures, things over the weekend, our competitors. Nobody does what we do. No one. I have one competitor in the space. He charges $4,000 per year. All you get is a live chat. Chat. No microphone. You can't ask a question. You will get no answers. You pay $4,000 a year for that. That is my only competitor in the space. He's been doing this for 15 years. $4,000 a year, and you can't even talk to him. There's no live anything. There's no moderation. There's no help desk center. There's nothing. Nobody does what American Dream Trading does. And we've been consistent every single day for 3.5 years. Go tell everybody about us. Don't forget to use your affiliate code so you can get 10% of whatever they're doing. I appreciate you. Listen, we're going to give a real quick morning recap. Richard or Bruno, go ahead and take it away. Let us know what's going to happen today. Thank you.
We have at 10 o'clock, which is our shift change, there is some economic news on the manufacturing report. And what's interesting with that manufacturing report is that we'll be looking at the backlog of orders that are there, because that shows strength for the companies in today's economy. And then also later at 12:25, we will have Fed Speaker Bostic's speech, and he is one of the key ones that people do listen to. And that'll be interesting after the appointment of Mr. T to Kevin Warsh, whatever the last name is. But that's it for today. Oh, one last thing. We also do have, usually Mondays, we really don't have earnings. We do have earnings after the close with PLTR, Disney, and some others. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. And I'm sure you guys will be watching that. I know a lot of people in here have been trading PLTR because we've been talking about it for years, even though everybody considered it a meme stock. I told you it was so much more than just a meme stock, and it has literally skyrocketed, and we have been talking about it since the day I walked in the door. Anybody holding PLTR in here? Not financial, tax, or investment advice, but is anybody holding that in here?
And may I add one other thing, Coach?
Yes.
Going back to what Coach said about we have people that normally would be running a show for futures or whatever, and now is going to have a little bit of time off. Evidence of what you will get with ADT is the depth. Coach has taken the time to build up the depth with experience and other people. And if you go to the cat lady and she's sick, you won't get even the cat's meow there. That's it. She's done.
The
But
cat
we have people
lady.
that has depth to fill in. And so it's an important value that a lot of people may underestimate to get your questions answered. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate the cat lady. Nice. Nice. Super chats and super stickers are available now over on YouTube. Papa Dot, I saw your microphone open up. Were you going to let me know you had some PLTR?
I did. I was swing trading it back in the day when we started around low. God, it was $12 and went up to 22 and then up to 80 and I would just sold it just to make money off of it. So it's been great for me. Thanks to your recommendation. Same with Soxel too.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Now it's now Palantir is at $151, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
I wish I would have held a bunch of it.
Yeah, a couple 1,000% since I've been talking about it. Not too bad at all. Beautiful. So it's 9:16, 9:17 now. We've got 13 minutes to the bell. By the way, if this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I've been trading the stock market for 34 years. We have trained over 1 million people here. We will walk you through any market condition. There can be money made. It doesn't matter no matter what the stock is doing. We don't care if it goes up. We don't care if it goes down. We will show you how to navigate the market. We will be talking about everything from day trading and intraday trading, meaning same day, swing trading, long-term investments. We will talk about options, stocks, futures, and crypto here. Everything. Sky is the limit. We have experience in everything. I have traded in every market condition known to man. I've literally traded through all of them over 3 decades of this information. We have, again, now produced some of the, if not the greatest traders on earth. Real quick, if everybody would do this with me, this is a little bit of our maintenance to start our morning. We're going to set up our key critical areas here. Now, we do have the pre-market setup. If you're a premium and above member, you will get those every single morning. We've already done that, but I'm going to give you 4 that we start with regardless every single day. It is always previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, and pre-market low. These need to be marked out every single day without question. You must do this. If you have our TradingView indicators, if you're a VIP member or above, you already have all of this information, so you don't have to do any of it. We've already done all the hard work for you. Speaking of TradingView indicators, if you guys did not know, we just released our TradingView Indicators 4.0. Highly recommend you get them. If you are still sitting on the 3.0 version, all you need to do is go to ADT Coach. It says 3.0. Click the More button, and you can update. You can update yours right now to 4.0. If that doesn't work, log out, log back in. You should be all set. If you still have a problem, just make sure you open up a help desk ticket and we'll get you all squared away. Let's go over to Apple real quick. Let's go ahead and do previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, and pre-market low. And we are done for the day. 4 o'clock right here. There you go. That's it. Done. We'll do one more together live. We'll do Tesla. So first thing I like to do is I always like to just, even if they're already there, I already see some, I like to get rid of all this clutter on my screen, and then I set up for the day. So again, previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, and pre-market low, and we are done. Okay? Make sure you have all of those marked out and ready to go. We have a lot of members that are already making money in here, so congratulations to you. We're glad you are all here. If you guys want to join any of our membership services, by the way, at any time, just go to our website, American Dream Trading. It's super easy to find us. That is the website, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see on your screen. You can join our free Discord where we have hundreds of hours of free training and education. Or if you'd like to jump in right away, you can start with our premium membership, which is our stocks and options training. You'll get those hot stock picks, which we've already posted, the pre-market setup where we go over, I think, 13 or 14 different stocks right now in their key critical areas. You'll get the IPO center and some training videos to get you started. All of that for $125 a month. Otherwise, you guys can upgrade to the VIP. That's $500 a month. But with the VIP, it's going to start to unlock a lot more of our services. Any of these services, by the way, if you want to know what they are, if you go over to the new members, start here. It says membership info, and there's a whole check sheet, shows you exactly what you get with each different product. We also do onboarding every Tuesday at 9:30. I highly recommend, even if you are an existing member, you join our onboarding class every day, Tuesdays at 12:30 Eastern. Go over there. We'll show you exactly how to navigate everything that we do, exactly what times we put on each program and membership service, and things that will help you out navigating the Discord. So again, whether you're free or a paid member, get it all set up. James says, I started late with investing. I'm 57, would like to retire at 65. You have around 150K, and I have a military retirement. First of all, James, thank you for your service. We honor you every single day, twice a day. We appreciate you. Before you touch any of that money or do anything, get training, talk to a financial your CPA or your accountants. Don't touch anything ever. Don't do anything, right? I want you to get educated. Absolutely. Get educated. Understand what you're doing, right? Because you can turn that 150K into dust if you don't understand what you're doing. So please, I encourage you to not touch any of that money or your retirement until you fully and 100% understand what you're doing. I know this is exciting and people are like, yay, and you're going to hear about our members. Literally, we had a member last week make $4 million. One single day, he made $3 million in a single day. You're going to hear all sorts of that stuff here at American Dream Trading because we have trained up so many people to do these things. But that does not mean you will be able to come in here and do that. These members have been with me for years. It takes years of training and development and getting your minds right and risk management, right? And losing accounts and gaining accounts and, following the rules and doing the things. So please, you're going to hear stories that are just absolutely crazy. And for some of you that first show up, you're going to be like, there's no way, because I have never heard of people making that kind of money before, ever, for retail traders. It is happening all the time here. But I need you to respect the process. Get the training first before the trading, okay? And you can start for free. Like I said, free Discord. And I know all the little kids out there are yelling, we have a free Discord. And you go over there, it's a bunch of garbage because it was designed by a little kid. What do you want? Right? This is an actual corporation. We have been in business for 5 years. We have 20 moderators, full help desk service. We have everything you need. We are not a little kid or a cat lady trying to sell you a course at 3 o'clock in the morning, right? We have everything over here. So when you join us, you have joined the professionals, the best of the best. There is nobody better than we are. Papa Dot, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I think they're just afraid to work at it, and that's the problem, because it does take work, and that's what I think people are afraid to work at it.
Correct.
That's kind of what I'm noticing from, if they want the call outs, I've been looking at all the groups, they want to know what's going on, what you're going to call out, where's this going to go
Right.
tomorrow?
That's the scary part, right? That's the worst
Yeah,
part.
exactly. It is the worst part.
And this is what happens, and you bring up a great point. This is the scary part, and this is what is horrible for our business and everybody out there that's going to just waste tons of money, right? You guys are going to be watching something online. They're going to try to sell you a bot. That's the first thing they're going to do is try to sell you a bot or buy and sell signals, right? I'm serious because everybody thinks it's a shortcut. Listen to the sound of my voice, and I need you to hear it. Pass this on, clip this, record this, send this to everybody you've ever known, and the reason why there's such a bad reputation out there. The next time somebody tries to sell you a bot, tell them to show you their $1 billion they have in the bank. And I'm being dead serious with you right now. The next time they want to sell you buy and sell signals, and it's always the same, just little kids that have no money, I want you to ask them, I want to see your $100 million yacht. Listen to the sound of my voice. If bots worked, everyone would have them. If buy and sell signals worked, everybody would be a billionaire. If every little kid that you watched with their 100% right trading ratio, and I'm 100% right effective trader and all this, then ask where their $100 million is. I'm dead serious right now. I want you to think about it for a minute. So the next time, I swear, if somebody tries to sell you a bot and buy and sell signals, they better be the richest person you've ever seen in your life, dripping with nothing but cash everywhere. Their halls better be made of gold because it's such a great system that they are so loaded. Right? Listen, the difference here at American Dream Trading, you pay me to train you. You don't pay me to trade. I don't give two craps about my trading. You do not pay me to trade. That is not my job. What you will find with everybody else is you will watch them trade and then, right? By the way, they're always fake paper prop accounts. Always freaking fake paper prop firm accounts. You guys do realize that. Every single time. Go on anybody's live. It's always a fake prop firm account, right? Nothing wrong with starting out with prop firms and all the things, but I want you to understand that. When they're like, I made $27,000, it was a fake prop firm account you're staring at to sell you a bot. Okay? I will teach you how to navigate the stock market. We will show you the people in the room that are literally making tens of millions of dollars. None of them made them with prop firm paper accounts. Do you understand me? Listen, if bots worked, I'd own every one of them. I'm dead serious. If bots worked, I would own every one of them. I wouldn't be working. Nobody in here would be working. We'd just click a bot button and it would just some sort of magically send us money, right? So stop with the nonsense. There's no such thing as bot accounts. There's no such thing as buy and sell signals. There is no easy shortcut. Do you understand the sound of my voice? Thank you. Get the training. Do the work. Stop bouncing around everywhere. You are in the right place at the right time with the right traders and the right trainers. I'm telling you right now. We got 30 seconds to the bell. We're going to have an amazing day. It is now February 2nd. I'm just tired of seeing people get burned by garbage. Get over here. Get over here and do the things. Thank you. Go to our website, American Dream Trading. Click the button. Join us for free. Find out what we're doing. See why we are the best. There's nobody better than us. Literally, there's nobody better than us. Poke around. Spend some time. Poke around. Nobody ever. All right, let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it. Yay. Okay, here we go. As always, If you guys have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise. Get in the microphone and get out. Make sure we understand what's going on. If you guys are in a 2-minute EWO, try to catch it on the first indicator just to give us a heads up. Like right now, Apple is on its third 2-minute EWO indicator. Just remember, Apple always likes to pop up at the beginning and then pull back at the open. Also, don't forget right now that Apple has to break $262 before I would go long on that. That is going to be a natural double top, which is the highest double top of the day. So I'll be looking for a pullback at that time. Thank you. SPY climbing right now. SPY has about $1.50 to go before the close of day. SPY continuing to climb right here. SPY, make sure it stays up above this 690 level. It has to stay above 690 and hold before anybody gets really excited about that, right? Okay, great. Apple approaching natural double top, sitting around 262. Be careful of that on Apple. SPY ran up, pulled right back. Apple, watch for a break and hold over here on Apple. I'd like to see that break and hold to the upside. That would be amazing. Don't forget Palantir, we discussed it earlier, is going to have news, a big news event at the end, earnings at the end of the day after hours. So Palantir could be a little volatile today. Please be careful. I'm showing over on our trading view indicators that SPY has hit our regression channel, meaning the highest level of that channel. That's been going to the upside since the pre-market, and then it pulled back. So I was watching that channel to look for that pullback. Apple just hit 263.45, breaking through that 262 level now on its fourth 2-minute EWO to the upside. Looking really nice over there in Apple. You just want to, again, stay above 262. SPY now making a move to the upside. Anybody in SPY over here? Anybody?
2-minute green on Soxel.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. SPY making that nice move again to the upside. See if that'll continue to climb. Going with small position sizes. Anybody see anything else running? Bitcoin, by the way, at 78,000. I saw that pull super far back. That was a beautiful time. Possible beautiful entry around that area. 72 to
AMD
77.
on a 2-minute up.
Thank you. AMD 2-minute EWO upside. Thank you for that call out. SPY still has about $1 to go here to the upside for close of day. Previous close of day. It's still working.
Big pull on Tesla.
Tesla to the
Downside, 2-minute red.
thank you. Tesla 2-minute, fourth 2-minute EWO on Tesla, 6-star trade, shorting it 3.5% to the downside. Great call out on that one. Thank you. Let me check the Qs. Qs to the upside, same thing. We want to see Qs above that 621. Qs did the exact same thing as SPY. Had a nice pop to the upside at the open, and now just sitting here. SPY still trying to make a move here. See if it's going to come back, touch the 9 before we have another big move to the upside. We start getting some momentum. There it goes. There we go. Enter it a little more. See if we can get a little bit more movement out of this. Set both these right here. Let them work. SPY still trying to make a move. Looking good. Just keeps touching this ceiling. That's resistance up here. Still waiting for a bigger move on SPY. Qs, same thing, just kind of sitting flat. SPY looking for this push right here. Looking for a nice push. There we go. Looking nice. Come on, get up there, SPY. Need to break through these levels. Same drill here on SPY. It is stair stepping to the upside, though. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? It's looking real nice.
Bitcoin breaking a triple top.
Thank you. SPY, here we go. Should get us some volume now and a push. There we go. Looking real nice. There's $300. Looking for a bigger push. I'll take it. Thank you. That's nice. There's that push we were looking for right there. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Anybody make any money on that one? Talk to me.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach.
I did, boss. Thanks.
Thank you. Still
You
climbing?
know I did.
No, you know I did. I love it. Love it. Nice. Continuing to climb. Loving SPY over here. Previous day close. Right now. SPY signing up on previous day close. Everybody be cool. Be very careful right here on SPY. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Is that a yes? You do hear the sound of my voice? Okay, great.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. I'll go ahead and short this for a real quick scalp. See if this is going to be just the top, just for a minute. Again, smaller position size. Just going to see if there's a small pullback. If there is, I'll take it. There it goes. Looking for more. I'll take it for 50. I'd buy that for $1. Let the good times roll. That's nice. Why not? Huh? Why not? Come on. Why not? The market wants to provide. I will take it. Qs continuing to run. 2-minute EWO to the upside. 6-star trade on the Qs. Apple pulled back below 262 now. Remember, I told you be extra careful on that one. 262. Apple loves to pop at the open and then pull back, doesn't it? It's like it's jam. It's almost like I've been watching it for 30 years. Very nice.
With those multiple expirations per week, we got some 0 days today.
Oh, I know. That is crazy, right?
Yeah.
That is crazy. Well, you can get them on the cheap, though, right, brother?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Two trades so far.
I wondered why Tesla had 0 days today.
Yep. Yeah, isn't it like every other day now? Every 3 days or something?
Yep. So with Apple, they have the day, and then they have 2 days. So they have the 6th, and then they have the 9th.
Yep.
So like it's very nice.
Yeah, that's wild, right?
And that move was pretty nice. The contract
yeah.
spiked up for Apple. That was real nice. It spiked up to about 80, I think 84%.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Are you going
Yeah,
a little?
Coach.
Are you going a little heavier today, David, or no?
Yep, I'm already done. 4,970 and 27 cents.
Yes. 9 minutes, $5,000, right?
And the trades were posted. I did a real quick scalp. My first scalp was 12 seconds.
Oh
and then
my
my
gosh.
second one lasted a little bit longer because we had about 4 minutes.
Yep. Nice job. It's crazy, isn't it? 9 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. What did I say? Once I have trained you up, it should take you no longer than 9 minutes. You guys think I'm full of crap. I'm telling you right now, if you want a 9-minute work day, come and see me. Come on. Come and see the coach. Eric's Moto,
Yeah.
did you say something? Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I was on that trade with David.
Nice job.
And I executed that trade like a freaking professional, dude.
Good job.
I wrote it all the way to 263.45. I knew that was my way overbought level, and I got out. Wasn't over bagging, over holding, and I just sent you a screen a message of my
I saw
percentage.
it. Good job.
5% total account on my first trade, and I still have a lot of buying power left.
Nice job. There you go. Congratulations, everybody. Look at that, right? 9 minutes. SPY pulling back. 692 pulling back to the 9. Still staying up tall, though. Still staying up tall. Now, right here, right? This is the battle for SPY. Listen to the sound of my voice. It is sitting on previous day close. If you are not in this trade, don't do anything. Do you hear the sound of my voice? If you're not in it from the bottom riding it up, I don't want you to touch this. This is a critical area. Wait for it to either break and get new high and run, or look for that pullback. If you are not in a trade for SPY, listen to me. This is where you will get chopped up. This is a major level today. Do you understand me? Are you listening to the sound of my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody will try to go long here. This is where you will get wrecked. You must wait for this to make those new highs before you're sitting at this level. Let's see this thing run. That's what we want to see. I want to see volume. I want to see it run. I want to see it get at least 50 cents away from the damn previous day close. Otherwise, what this will do is it'll pop up. You guys will all jump in it thinking that's the moment. Everybody will sell off. It'll drop all the way to VWAP. You'll sell for a loss. It'll rebound off of VWAP and make new high a day. And you're going to be sitting there in the corner, sucking your thumb and wondering what happened. Mama. I already told you what happened. You better listen.
The bot told him to buy.
Yeah. The bot will lead the way. The bot will lead the way. All right, here we go. Let's see if this is going to be that false breakout. And then, bam, it's going to hammer all you right in the head. It's going to be like Donkey Kong where I hit you in the head. Boom, with a hammer right. And you're like, I don't know what happened. Coach said. And then it's going to drop down to VWAP. You guys are all going to get crushed. And I'm going to hammer it when it touches VWAP. And I'm going to go long. And I'm going to make money. And everybody that's listening to me is going to understand exactly what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, why you're supposed to do it. And everybody else will be in a corner crying for their mama.
Drop down the VWAP, a wop, bam, boom.
Yep. Duty fruity.
I was thinking the exact same
Rudy.
thing, Don.
Yes. So let's see what
Anybody else heard
happens. Let's see what happens. We're still waiting. I'm telling you, some of you are going to get punked out. Punked out. Oh, I'm going to be a hero.
I mean, you can feel the resistance right now in the candles.
Yeah, we must wait. I don't care if this runs. Everybody's going to wait. Wait. Hold.
What do you want to see it get above, Coach?
I want to see this make new high with a candle above. I want to see a break and a hold. If I don't have a break and a hold, I'm not doing nothing. Why would I do that to myself? Not happening. And the funny thing is, I have a better opportunity to short this right now than I do to long it. And people will never understand that. Be like, oh, I just gonna make it.
I was gonna say, Coach, I took a short scalp earlier on that red candle.
Yeah, I already made my money off that. Yeah, I already made my money. I shorted it on the first thing when it touched the top, and it pulled all the way to the 9, exactly textbook. Here we go. Let's see what happens now. Waiting for the break and hold here. This is still my break candle, by the way. I need another candle above it. But, Coach, it's above your area. No, it's not. I don't care. I don't like it yet. I want the next candle to be higher than this candle. 12 seconds. This candle could still go lights out on me, and I'm not having it. Notice the wick is inside of that previous candle right there. Right? If this makes new high, I'll get in it. If not, Not happening. Do you understand me? Make new high, make new high. That's what I'm looking for. I like the way that it's stair stepping. It's looking good, but it has to get up here and make new high. This first candle, the wick is still, look at it. Look at the wick. To me, that is considered the break candle, not the hold. Do you understand? Okay, great. I need this candle to break and hold up here, and then I will long it. Still waiting. Being patient. Notice I'm not forcing a trade. Oh, but coach, you're going to give up 20 cents. I don't care. Oh, but if I would have... Stop. Stop it.
You'll give up more than that if you get in too early.
Yeah, you will. You really will. I'm just going to be patient. Let's see. Come on, baby. Break that high. I mean, it's tapping basically, and it's funny because I have a level marked at 692.81 before anything, right? I had a level at 692.81.
I was gonna say I got 692.75.
Yeah, and it's dancing at 76, right? So again, no touchy for me. You guys can do whatever you want. What? You know, do your thing. Do it. You're so good. Do it. Do your thing. What's the bots tell you to do? Oh, but my buy and call signal told me to. Let's see what happens. Waiting for this break up here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Being patient. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. New candle form. New candle form, and I'll be in it. It's it. It's on my spot. Give me the candle. I'm ready to go now. Come on. Daddy likey like. Come on. Come. Still waiting. No, look at just waiting. Patience. Give me new candle high. I'm in it. Give me new candle high. I'm in it. Give me new candle high. I'll be in it. Come on. You're almost there. You're almost there now. Almost there now. I gotta wait. Come on.
You crazy.
It's right there. It's just sitting here. It's teasing us.
Yeah, like you said, it's about to slam it.
Oh no, what happened?
Did what it was supposed to.
Boom, train wreck.
Question, how many houses did you just save?
Boom, chakalaka.
I could just look at it and see it was about to calm down.
Oh boy.
Dancing.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, right here though. That's me. I'm in it. Why? I traded off the 9. If it wants to pull below the 9, so be it. Right? But I got set up this time off the 9. And I'm okay with that. I've got a very low amount of risk. Right? I like this pullback to the 9 because it still is trying. It's technically, there it goes. Let's say it's still trying to get there, right, ladies and gentlemen? It's trying to make the move, but it had to pull back first to then get the momentum. I'll take that all day. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Come on, little more, little dabble do ya. Hold on, I got a mic open. I'll kill it while I'm over here trying to live trade. That's my favorite thing, when people open their mics and I'm trying to live trade. And then I got to goof around with microphones while I'm trying to make money. This is why it's very dangerous. This is why nobody in the world actually live trades a real cash account. They're always goofing around with fake paper trading accounts because they don't know. Come on, get up there. Push. There you go. There it is. There it is. I'll take it. I'll take $100. And it's got room to go. Thank you. That's nice. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you. Please hold your applause till the end of the program. That'd be great.
Coach rules.
Thank you. Trade off the 9. Had a nice setup. Still looking for a nice push. If this pushes, you're going to get a lot of volume. You're going to see a spike. That is what we want to see. Neat. Right here. Come. Come. Volume will come in. You'll see a massive spike. Here we go. Come on. Go. Come on, get that spike. It's like spiking the football in the end zone when you make that touchdown, baby. Go. I like it. Volume, go. Volume, push. Notice I'm not on the tray, but you guys can be. Push. Come on, volume, go. Spike. Rise from the dead. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Look at that candle. First candle of the day that looks like that. Rise. Are you not entertained? Thank you. Thank you. There's the American Dream Trading Eagle dropping off cash right on your face. Good job. Did anybody scoop it up off the 9 earlier and just make a buttload of cash?
Sure did.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure did.
Wow.
14% for total account done today.
Wow. Good.
Thank you, Coach, for your day, man.
Yes, nice work. Everybody's just getting paid. Just got paid this Monday night. Yes, I like it. I like it.
Need to clip that one, Coach.
Nice. Now, this is a stall. Waiting for this to break new high. This is a stall candle. Look at that, though. Isn't that the first largest green candle of the day? Look at that beautiful candle.
Apples on a double top.
That was nice. Yep, I see it. Thank you. That was glorious. Do you guys see how this candle stalled out up here on the top with SPY? Look at that. Come on, come to the 9. Come back. Baby, come back. Come on, hurry up. Come back, and then I'll scoop you up again for a discount. And then we'll go for a ride together. Because that's what we like to do, right? SPY is my ride or die over here. Come on. Come. Sell off. Come. I love my job. Who else has a job like this? Huh? Come on. This is glorious. Dubs, no, we did not sell 10 Diamond Lifetime memberships that day for somebody to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $10,000 live in front of everybody. We sold 2 that day. 2. I thought it was going to be amazing and people were going to go crazy and make sure to lock in, and nope, they didn't. They just sat there. So, nope. No 10 grand. No 10 grand for you. No soup for you. Oh, did SPY listen to me? Did I say to pull back to the 9? Did it listen? Is SPY listening to the sound of my voice, ladies and gentlemen? Huh? Off of the stall candle that was called out live in front of you, looking for that pullback to the 9.
We're coming up on Friday's high of day.
Oh, thank you. Yep, I see it. Previous day high over on my TradingView Indicators 4.0. That's telling me, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, baby.
Still going to make this week on the 4.0?
Still going to what? I'm sorry?
It's going to roll out this week.
It's already rolled out. It rolled out over the weekend. We told everybody about it. Did you not get it yet? And I said this morning.
No, I didn't.
It's time, baby. Joe, all you need to do is inside of your TradingView indicators. If you go to ADT Coach 3.0, click the dots that say more, tell it to update your indicators. You're done.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, they're already rolled out, partner. We are rocking and a rolling.
Oh, I gotta do that too then. Dang.
Everybody, we rolled it out. We announced it across 87 channels. I discussed it live this morning. This morning, I walked you through how to do it. If you guys are just tuning in, those of you that are still on American Dream Trading 3.0 indicators, we are now at 4.0. Go. Wait till you see all the new goodies we have in this one. It's going to blow your mind. Woo! I know. Hold your applause till after the
You still longing
program.
this off the 9 up to the higher day?
I will look at it when it comes back to 9. Yes. Yep, I do like it here. Yep. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a second. The reason is down, 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 right? I'm going to give this a second. Now, if I do decide to long this off this 9, right, I will go with a starter sample. Yeah, the only thing is now we're up on the top of this channel. If you guys look at our indicators, speaking of our indicators, does everybody see how we're at the very tippy top of that channel? I don't like to long anything when we get to the top of that channel. Does everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
I do not like to long anything up there. I will not do it. So even though typically this is where all the training comes from. Oh, you can just get it in the video. Ooh. Listen, you can't get all of it in a video, right? There's so many caveats to this. I would never long this on the top of the channel. You understand me? Okay, thank you. Appreciate you. Love your face. Now, if it wasn't in the top of the channel, hell yeah, I would have longed that, right? Again, though, well, coach says if it touches on it, there's so much more going on. And this is why you need to tune in, be attached to my hip 24/7. Love your face. This coach sure is aggressive, giving us hundreds of millions of dollars. That's right. It's my job. Now look at this disaster. Right? Normally, oh, we're going to long it off the 9. No, you're not. Now, I tell you what, I will long it off of this one. I will look at longing this one off the 21 because it has pulled enough away from that channel. Huh? You think they call me the stocks whisperer for no reason? Is that what you were thinking? You think there was no reason for that? The coach of the coaches? You think they call me the coach of the coaches for no reason? Just making up my own names now over here because I'm trying to entertain myself. I got to wake up. This is my trying to wake up Monday morning. You guys wake up like this?
I want to wake up every day like this.
Every day. Every damn day. Make sure you guys click that share, click the like, do the things, click the subscribes, do the stuff. Appreciate you. Now right here. Right here. If this bounces as 21, which will be against everything in your nature, I'll look at it. I'm going to wait and see if we get the actual bounce. If we can't.
NVIDIA looking heavy.
I'm sorry?
NVIDIA looking heavy, coach.
Okay, thank you. If we can't get the bounce, notice I'm not in the trade. If we can't get the bounce, I'm going to look at VWAP. And the cool thing with if it does come down to VWAP, then we'll be closer to the bottom of that channel. Does everybody see how my trading view indicators 4.0 showed you exactly the top of where you better watch your butt? Do you see it?
The coach whisperer.
The coach for the coaches. Am I right? New name. That's it. The reason I say that is because I saw some sort of like prop firm convention. They're like, meet the greatest of. I should come in there so I can coach these coaches. Let the coach in so we can help the coaches to coach the people. The coaches of the coaches. I know I'm being silly. I don't care. I'm having fun. If you don't like it, go find the cat lady. Trust me, she'll be on.
Right, baby.
30 seconds.
She'll be on the PBS channel 28.
Where is this cat lady you guys keep talking about? I want to see now.
You'll
I'm curious.
just look at
Is she kinda hot?
just look at like 3 o'clock in the morning. She'll be the only stock market trader that her entire TikTok feed is nothing but old stinky cats, and she'll try to sell you a course from some guy that she met one time. Has no experience. You'll find her. Trust me.
Okay.
Trust me.
I'm just curious.
It's out there. Here we go. All right, let's see if we can get that push. You guys remember me talking about down to VWAP? I'll be looking at this nice push. We'll see if we can get this here. I'm still waiting now. Now what I'm doing, just so everybody knows, if I can get this break and hold of this 9, I'm going to long it. Not financial tax or investment advice. Because it's already went to the ceiling off that regression channel that we have with our trading view indicators. If you are a VIP or a diamond member, waited for it to pull all the way back. We're down to VWAP. I'm going to look for the bounce. If we bounce, guess what? We're going to be looking at an attempt for new high of day, right? It's just like a game where it tries to bounce along the walls. Okay. Okay, great.
It's funny how stuck to the 21 it is right now.
Yep, I'm watching. I'm patient.
Do something.
Yeah, I liked, though, that it stalled. It gave me a stall candle with a bounce. I loved that, right? That's the stuff we want to see. Does everybody see it?
Yeah, support that level.
692.20.
But yeah.
Yep, which is did before. So again, I'm waiting patiently. Notice I'm not jumping in a million trades. We don't need to do that. Look for an A+ setup, then make the trade. Nice. Leighton says, I passed my 300K last night. Yes. Yes. Congratulations. Good job. Thank you for following us over here at American Dream Trading. We appreciate you. Good job. Good job.
Hey, Coach, if you get in above the 9, would your stop be under the 21?
That is correct. Good call. And now why wouldn't it be under the 9?
It needs some movement.
Yeah, it's too damn tight, right? Fling, fling. I'll take it. Take it all day. Yes, you will. Take it all day. Yes, you will. Thank you, Easter Bunny. You guys are gonna try to make new highs off of the bounce of VWAP. Coach said if it gets to the top of that regression channel, look for the pullback. If it can't hold the 9, then I'm gonna bounce it off of VWAP, and then I'm gonna bounce off the VWAP. It's gonna attempt to make new day. Isn't that what I said? Huh?
Sing it,
The
Coach.
cat lady said that.
He said to sing it, Coach. Everybody's like, shut up. Just call the stuff out, old man.
I'm just wondering
You
what
are,
kind
and
of
it's
stuff
entertaining.
your wife put in your drink in the morning.
Listen, gang, I'm trying to get you hyped up. If I got to do it by myself, I will drag you kicking and screaming into Funtown. You understand me? Look at this. Look at, oh, this is glorious. Attempting new high, 693.84. Look at this. Who bounced it off of VWAP with a stop below the 21?
I was with
Me,
you,
Coach.
Thank you.
I got it off the 9.
Thank you. That's nice. Good job. Good job. I like it. Oh, it's 10:04, by the way. Did everybody do your homework? Did everybody go watch Greenland?
Shoot, I forgot.
Crickets.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. How was it? Did everybody like it? Was it good? Was it terrible? Talk to me.
I watched Greenland 1, and then right after that, I watched Greenland 2.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
They're-
They were both pretty good. I
Yes.
think number 1 was better, but they did a good transition into the second one.
That's what I thought.
yeah.
That's what I thought. I was like, man, how even at the end, I was like, how are you going to make a 2? But it worked. Like, as I thought the same thing. I'm like, okay, you can't redo 1. You know what I mean? Like, I thought they did a good job. Anyways.
It was worth it.
Yes. Good deal. Glad you liked it. There you go. Who made money on SPY? Talk to me. Talk to me, Goose.
I
Come
did.
on.
I'm still in it.
Come on. Where are you at?
I did, boss.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Double top right
Be my
here.
wingman anytime.
Thank you. Thank you. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. I got my stop in place. That did not hit double top and breakthrough. That's why we have our stops, right? See if this is going to pull back on this double top. It still has to have a break and hold though, right? This is the break candle. If I get a hold candle, I'll take the L on this trade and then I'll flip it, right? Still waiting. Still waiting. Looking to see if we're going to get a pullback here or not. It's still got a little bit more room. Little bit more room. Waiting. Yeah, if this breaks and holds this new high up here, then I'll long it. But still waiting right here. I've still got my trade. I've still got risk tolerance in place. But it went way above the double top, right? Where it should have already pulled back. So I'm just...
694 is a gold line.
Is it? Okay. Yeah, if this breaks through, I'll long it. Yep, right there. Yep, right there. Oh, this is a long. Yeah, coach, you're missing it. Get in there. Get in the trade, man. Yes. Yes, go, go, go. Nice. Fling, fling. Nice, nice. Go, go, go. Nice push. Nice, nicey, nice, nicey, nice.
Hey, I'm still in it.
Nice. Nice. So we're back. We're close to the top of that channel again, gang. See it? So close. I'll take it for 200. Now listen. Notice I took the L trying to hit that double top. I immediately flipped the script and I made more than what I lost off my double top trade. Did anybody see me panic because it broke through? Oh, but every time I try to do... Did anybody see me panic? No, you didn't. Right? Trade the trades. That's all you need to do. We're at previous day high over here. Dancing on previous day high. But again, you guys notice I tried to hit the double top. It broke through my double top. My risk management took over. It stopped me out for a loss. I went long when I was supposed to, and I made more money than the loss. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. That's nice. Trade the trade. That's all you can do. Trade it robotically. No, don't buy bots. Oh, the coach said to buy bots. He said to buy all the bots. He'll be a billionaire. You heard it here first. Coach said buy the bots. You'll be a billionaire. No, I did not. Stop it. Apple 2-minute EWO riders. How are we doing over there, gang? Should be making a lot of money.
On this re-entry over VWAP, the contracts are at 62%.
Oh my gosh. Didn't you already lock in like $4,800 over there?
Yes, sir.
Oh boy. And you're making more?
So now I have 3 contracts left and I've locked in just over 8,000.
Let's go, David.
Attaboy, David.
Oh my gosh.
Way to go, David.
Woo!
I mean, you should see the chat. They're having a party over there.
Oh yeah, we're having a blast, Coach.
Can you tell we're liking these 0-day contracts?
Yes, good job. I just like that you're going a little bit larger. We talk about this all the time. Now, I know it's because 0 day you're able to buy more of them, but damn, man, that's beautiful. 8K. And it's those of you that are listening, the market's been open for 40 minutes. Late, no. Hell no, I do not use the Fibonacci. Oh my gosh, no. Hell no. Oh my.
We're in a liquidity sweep. Come
Yeah,
on.
yeah, exactly. No, Leighton. Hell no. Nope. We'll save that for the kids who want to try to look impressive online because you'll have like 87 things on your chart. Nope. We're just making money. We don't use Fibonacci over here. Okay. You guys you can use whatever you want. I don't recommend all that nonsense. Why put all that garbage on my screen? I don't need it. No, thank you. Appreciate you. But it's at the golden retracement level of the... No. No, no, no. Don't do it, Nunya. Who's making money on these spies over here? This is glorious. Love that it's staying above that previous day high. Got a little bit of wiggle room to the top of that channel up there before it starts to fight us. If you guys are looking at, look at our trading view indicators 4.0.
And that's what we like to see too. More than 50 cents for the break and hold area.
Yes, 100%.
Anything less than that tends to slosh back under a bit.
Yep, I agree. And that falls right in, right, with our variance, right? 25 to 40 cents. That's why I said I like it breaking above those areas. And now you guys know I've been talking about 25 to 40 cents, and I actually talked about this with one of my mentorees the other day. 25 to 40 cents was great when SPY was under 500. SPY is at 700. We're going to have to change that variance because it's as SPY grows, so does the variance level, right? So technically now, because I've been saying 25 to 40 cents, it's been years because that's right. SPY hasn't gone this high. We're probably going to have to move this now to like 30 to 60 cents. Yeah, 30,
yeah,
50, something.
Kind of the 30 to 50 area now.
Yeah, because right as SPY gets larger, it has more movement. If you look at like an average true range, it has more movement now, right? So
100%.
Yep. So that's 25 to 40. And again, but Coach's video 3.5 years ago said you need to be tuning in every day. The market changes. So do we, right? Appreciate you.
Coach, NVIDIA 2-minute EWO green.
NVIDIA 2-minute EWO green. Yep, I see it. Second 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA to the upside. You're going to just make...
I'm loving 695 is
2% now.
Oops.
One trade.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. Try again.
A little over 2% on Stockstill in one trade.
Oh, nice job. Nana, go ahead. You said something too?
This is 695. It's going to be a tough level, I think, for SPY, but at the same time, he has momentum.
Well, SPY is really, the wall is going to be around 700 again, right? So
yeah,
it's just a whole number, right? I talk about the psychology of trading 24/7, right? People see that whole number and they're going to be like, oh no, remember when Tesla hit 500? You guys remember me saying, be careful of Tesla at 500. It's going to battle. And what did it do from 500? Just collapsed and never came back, right?
Yep.
I'm not saying it's going to happen to SPY,
we went through 400,
yep,
500, 600, and now we're doing the 700. Do you realize that, Coach? This is how long we've been trading SPY together.
That is correct. That is correct. I've been trading SPY since it was 36 cents. No. Go ahead.
Check out IWM.
Yeah, it must be rocket ship, right? The Russell will do the exact same thing. Yep. Yeah, in case you guys don't...
Didn't you invent SPY?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. We actually chiseled it out on stone, right? I got off of my dinosaur, right? And we chiseled that bad boy out right next. It was right after all the 10 commandments were made. And then God was like, hey, man, if you guys want to go ahead and create SPY, here's here's a chisel and a stone tablet. And then poof, there you go.
That's right. Thou shalt not buy around VWAP.
Thou shalt not buy. Yes, exactly. Thank you. Yeah, IWM, in case you guys don't know, doesn't IWM look exactly the same as SPY? You see it? Same pullback, same exact pattern, same exact setup, everything, right?
Coach, is that usually true?
Yes. Yes, it is. Yep. NASDAQ is the same. If you look at NASDAQ, the Russell, and SPX, right? Always pretty much almost always identical, right?
It's the Mag 7.
Yeah, well, that would be the Qs, but also notice the Qs are always pretty much the same too, right? And that's because the weight of SPY is off of those 7, right? And that's why I like looking at the Qs. If you look at the Qs, does anybody notice? Look at these 3 screens. The Russell, the Qs, and SPY. Aren't they almost all of them identical? Look at the pullbacks at the same spot. Notice they climb at the same time, right? Okay, great. You want to know who doesn't play by any of these rules? Apple. Apple doesn't give a crap about the market or your intentions. It'll do whatever it wants. It's an independent. That's why I love Apple, right?
Tesla tend to do that too once in a while.
Tesla's a different thing though. Tesla's just there'll be one tweet and Tesla will just freak out.
You know what? Talking about Tesla, you probably heard the rumor about SpaceX going IPO.
Yes, but did you hear that they're trying to combine it with Tesla?
Yeah.
Which is crazy amazing because that would just super boost everything.
That would be insane.
Did you guys also see, right? I told you last week that they shut down production of the Model X and the S, and now all they are doing full time is going to be manufacturing robots. Isn't that exactly what I said was coming?
You did, Coach.
You all heard it here first. Right? I know. It's almost as if Coach is always looking.
When they do it, however.
Oh, it'll be the greatest thing that's ever happened in history. Just so everybody knows. It will literally change the face of the world forever, and it will never again listen. I told you when AI was going to do it, and I said the world will never be the same again. I told you it was going to be just like when the internet came out. It will change the face of the planet forever. You now all see that AI has completely changed the face of planet Earth forever. There is nothing, not even your own toothbrush, that doesn't have AI in it. There is nothing that does not have something to do with AI now. And when robots take over, the world will change forever. And I told you, you better be listening to this old man when I speak. I've been right about everything so far. Not one thing has been wrong yet. But it's only been 3.5 years every single day, constantly 24 hours a day. So maybe I'll be wrong on the 17th year. Maybe. But I doubt it. But I highly doubt it. Technology is my life. It always has been. I always watch the trends and what's coming up. This is why you guys love it, and you know it.
Hold on.
Quick question for you.
Go ahead, Bear Cub.
You guys mentioned earlier that there's 0 DTE for other stocks now. For like,
correct.
Did that just happen like today? Or?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yep.
Geez, Spy is not stopping.
You know what I'm lacking in my life right now, Nana?
Tell me.
More caffeine.
Say Diet Coke.
You do not need more caffeine.
Yes. I can feel the energy surging through my veins.
Get your seatbelt on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's about to get turned.
I thought it
Yes.
was a steak quesadilla from Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. All right, here we go. Spy continue to make new high. Loving the stair step action. Same with Apple. How we doing, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
2 runners at 92%.
Yay! Good job. I joke around this all the time, especially with my super mega millionaires who, by the way, always every day give me new information, updates, how they've done all the things. And I always joke around and I go, there was pre-American Dream trading and then post-American Dream trading, right? It's kind of like, think about it. Everybody right now that's doing the Apple 2-minute EWO, before you came here, you never even knew what the hell that meant. That didn't even exist. It wasn't a thing. There was nothing on it. You're not finding it. There's nothing. There's nothing. And now look at what you guys are doing with it, right? There is pre-ADT and post-ADT.
Were you paying attention to the Saturday class? Because
No.
that's exactly what I was saying on Saturday. I was telling her, and by the way, Saturday I was on vacation. I was out in the middle of the damn woods doing an ATV trip. And so I did the Saturday class, and I was telling everybody, I said, the reason I heavily had to do so much back testing was because you could find nothing on Elliott Wave, 2-minute EWO, any type of reference of trading with using the Elliott Wave oscillator. And so I'm like, well, he's talking about it all the time, but I don't have any. There's
no
nothing that I
data.
can use as a resource.
Yeah.
And so I said, well, then I'm going to have to start becoming the resource.
Yes.
And that's when I started doing all that testing. And I'm like, man, this shit works, man.
You're like, this guy might know what he's talking about. And now look
That's exactly. I spent about maybe 5 to 10 minutes on Saturday just specifically talking about that.
That's awesome. Great minds think alike. That's actually pretty funny, right?
Yeah, because we're
that's
talking about
hilarious.
this and talking about that, and I was like, yeah, there's so many things that coach tells us, and one of the most important ones is the protecting your assets. So we dug into that for a little while, making
Yes.
sure you're doing position sizes where you can be here trading next week and the week after that, and then paying
Yes.
attention to the 2 red days, all the stuff that we talk about.
Yes.
We're talking about it, reinforcing it every Saturday, and then of course we review trades in Apple, but we also review trades in all the different small stocks that we've been talking about recently.
Right.
So there's plenty going on those Saturday classes.
Oh, it's huge. So number one, by the way, thank you. And when you're out on a trip, man, just tell us. Somebody will cover that. I need you to take vacations and relax. So number two, everybody talks about how amazing the Saturday training is. Every single time that board lights up. If you guys are not a VIP gold or diamond member or platinum now, you don't know what you're missing. We do Saturday training every single Saturday. Those of you that are working, every single week. Get into something. Start training, for crying out loud. But thank you, David. And no, you do not have to train people from the woods. Take a break, damn it.
Yeah, well, I know I don't have to,
Gotta
but I
recharge.
don't mind it. So I tell everybody, it doesn't feel like I wake up and go to work. I feel like I wake up and I'm hanging out with some friends.
That's
So,
awesome. I love that. That's my favorite thing to hear. And that's the way it's supposed to be, though, right? If it feels like we're like stuck in the mud and we're waiting for 4 o'clock, right, to hit, right? How many of you have ever worked in a factory, manufacturing, production, and you're literally standing at the clock, at least until, right, the boss yells at you can't stand at the time clock, right? You're standing at the clock, literally with your time card, and you got like 1 minute to go, and you're ready to just hit the damn thing and run as fast as you can out of the building. If your work is that to you, you got the wrong job, man. right? That's the wrong job. Get the hell out of there as fast as you can. If you're standing there waiting for that 4 o'clock buzzer to and you're running as fast as you can to your car, that job sucks.
When so that's one of the reasons why we ended up moving the class an hour earlier on Saturdays
Yeah.
to the earlier time, the 10 o'clock Eastern,
Yep.
because even when we do our cheerleading weekends or whatever, most of the time I'm awake and up, and the girls and my wife aren't up yet, or they're just getting ready, and I'm like, okay, well, I can easily do this. I can do what I need to, and then we start our day. And when we're on vacation, most of the time we're trying to be a little bit lazy, right? We try to stay awake.
Yeah.
Stay a little bit longer, and
Yes.
so I'm like, oh, that's perfect timing.
Yep, absolutely. So you guys get in there. I'm serious, right? I know I always sound like I'm trying to sell you something. Listen, there's training all the time here. We are 7 days a week. If you guys, excuse me, if you guys have a diamond membership, it's training 7 days a week. Now, obviously, crypto is typically on Sunday, and a lot of times it'll be futures. But seriously, because if you were a diamond, you were able to hop in and out of every class we have. So to you, diamond members, it's 7 days a week. If you're if you're VIP gold, 6 days a week training, right? And just so everybody knows this week, I am reviewing and revamping our entire membership structure. I want to see how we can do what we can do, what makes sense, because I know when people come in, they're like, oh my gosh, we got so many things. If you guys were with us since the beginning, it was easy. You'd be like, oh, we got a premium, and now we come out with the VIP, and we added like 10 new things. And then we're like, hey, then we added 10 more things. Like now you're gold, right? Then we added 10 more things because then we did futures and all that, and then crypto. But now there's like 87 different programs, and it's starting to get like, well, what in the hell one am I supposed to get? So trust me, it hasn't fallen on deaf ears. Well, nobody's complained, but I would. I'd be like, I don't know what the hell to get into. And I'm looking at the storefront, and there's like 27 products, and I'm like, well, what the hell does all this mean? So trust me, I'm always reviewing what we can do. We might come to don't quote me on this. I talked to the moderators this morning about it, let them know my thoughts, because Coach always has thoughts. And the beauty of owning my business is I can change anything at any time the second I want. And you're right, as long as it makes sense, the betterment of the group and the business and all the things. But I'm looking at maybe going to a 3-tier system. I don't know yet. It could be something as simple as a premium style membership with a platinum in the middle, and a diamond unlocks everything, including American Dream Trading Academy and mentorships and little things, right? So I might end up doing that. And the reason is because it's so hard for each of you to understand, well, what do I get? What am I supposed to get into? What is the next thing? So I'm trying to figure it out, and then what the pricing plan is. And that's why I went back today to this morning. That's all I was doing this morning, is reviewing all my fake. There's no competitor to us. And I know it sounds terrible. And I always say there's one. He's not even a competitor, not even close. He's just the only one that's been in the space, right? Less than half the amount of time that I have been in the stock market, but he would technically be the only person that I would even say is a trainer, but nobody can train from him, right? Nobody can do it unless you're going to trade 60,000 shares in under a half of a second and not be able to ask a question because it's just a chat room only with no microphones. American Dream Trading is the only one that does what we do. I don't think you guys still understand that.
Coach, that's why I joined you and left that other competitor, because I couldn't believe that you could actually ask a question.
Yeah,
I was
and it's
listening
real
to you,
time.
and it was incredible. I was listening to you. I was like, wait a second. I hear people in the background asking real questions.
Right.
So that's the big difference, Coach. You're 100% right.
Thank
It's
you. I
interesting
appreciate
content, but we can talk.
Hey, Coach.
You can
Yes.
help us,
Yep, absolutely.
Not only do you do it, but your moderators are on point with everything, bro.
Thank you.
Everything.
Thank you. They are the best of the best of the best. We have the
Yes,
best.
they are.
It's service,
Gosh,
training.
they are.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Scott, we love you, man. By the way, my moderators, listen, man. I know we're not supposed to have favorites and all that stuff, but Scott is always out there, right? He's always doing stuff. I always see him like tipping moderators on birthdays, doing the things
Yeah, man.
that you shouldn't be asking. It should just be done, right?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And I love that about you.
Man.
Appreciate you.
When we do our one-on-one, we'll talk.
Okay. I hate to show favoritism and weird stuff, but you're one of my favorites. Let's just be honest.
I appreciate
Let's
you,
just be
bro. I
honest
do.
about it right here, ladies and gentlemen, right? I just love people that are involved and active and you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm not going to get all crazy on you, but I love that. I love when you guys are engaged. That is my favorite thing. What do I say every day? Listen, if you want to change your life, get engaged, get active, ask questions, be a part of what we're doing. Don't just pay the money and sit in the dark. Please don't do that. Right? Become a member if that's what you want. Otherwise, join for free. That's okay too. But I'm just saying, get involved. Listen, if you're free, ask questions still. If you guys are watching us on TikTok, ask the questions. If you're watching on YouTube, ask the questions. We're here for you. We want to help you. You don't understand. Like, we want you in a better place in your life. Okay? Not only personally, but greedily as a business owner. If I make you successful, whether that's through finances, spiritually, stupid comedy so it cheers up your day, whatever the hell it is, right? You will tell other people. Right? I lift you up and you will bring me with you. That is how your captain and your coach is supposed to do it. The leader of your team is supposed to build everybody up and then they will bring you with them. This is why I love what we do. This is why I thank my moderators twice a day, every day, because they are so important to what we do. This is why I thank all the military and our first responders. Gang, listen to me. This is your homework this week. This is what we're going to do. In honor of Scott, by the way, everybody out there, do me this huge favor if you would, please. If you see any military or any first responder anywhere at all this entire week, hell, do it the month. You should do it every day. I do it every time I see one. Every single time, regardless. Doesn't matter where I'm at, what I'm doing. Buy them lunch, pay for that coffee. You see a police officer's car behind you and you're at McDonald's, pick it up.
Yes, sir.
Do the things.
Absolutely.
Right? Like what? Nobody should be telling you that. Just, that's what you do. They're there for you. Who are you going to call when you're in trouble? You're not going to call your therapist when somebody's kicking your door down. I promise you. Can you de-escalate and walk them through a process where they'll feel good about themselves and not take us out?
Hey, coach.
Palm laughs.
Hilarious.
You know what I'm saying? Like, come on. So please, that is your homework this week. We always talk about a movie. Your homework this week. Please hook somebody up. Military. Listen, if you don't see them in your everyday walk of life, if you know somebody, send them a gift basket. Send them a $10. I don't care what it is. Send them something. Hey, how about a phone call if you're like, well, I don't have money, or you're the type of person that doesn't like to give gifts. I don't care. Whatever it is, send them a text. I'm thinking about you. Appreciate you. Thank you. That's all. People need to know that we appreciate them. So show them. Don't sit there. And this is the same thing with our group. Get engaged. Get involved. Stop hiding in the shadows. Appreciate you. Love your face. Look what you did now, Scott. Look at what you brought out in me. See, you did that. Beautiful, man.
Listen, I'm sorry, but it's true.
It is.
Take care of others.
Yes.
Others.
Yes. First, right? Well, make sure you're okay health-wise, all the things, right? But it's about people helping people. Isn't that what we are built on? That's literally our foundation. It's not traders making money. That's not a foundation. That's an effect of what we do, right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
And that, though, is why our moderators are so awesome. They get it. They see it, right? Then they become successful. And then they want to help you because that is where we were built from. This wasn't built on greed and, right? This is built on compassion and looking out and empathy and sympathy and looking out for him. And some of you are like, oh, he's crazy. Coach is a crazy right winger and all this stuff. It's not political. Yeah, I might have political views, but I'm still going to love you. Listen, I would still be the first one in line to help you out or protect you, regardless of whatever your beliefs, everywhere we would go. Period, point blank. That's it. I might have my opinions and you have yours, but at the end of the day, we're all God's children. Here, get a little Jesus time. Coach is all hyped up.
Amen.
There you go. God bless.
Hey, Coach, can I say something real quick?
Yeah, of course.
Back in April, there was an unknown player, a whale, who actually really destroyed the market in one quick day. And I remember, and I'm saying this into your community, you were taken back by that, and you had tears in your eyes. I remember this day. And you had to stop because of this individual. And you know who I'm talking about. And because of that, because I saw your compassion, your drive, your empathy, I said, this man is something special and something different.
Thank
and I'm
you.
not just saying it to blow smoke.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
But when you know the character of someone, yeah, this is why you're so successful. And
I
I thank you
appreciate
for
you.
that and all your moderators, bro.
Thank you, man. And then they all share the same thing, right? This is, it goes from the top down. We are trying to create, right, as many like-minded people as we can. This is it. We want to be the light. We want to help people, and this is why when our people are successful, they're giving, they're charitable, they help, right? This is amazing. What we have done, gang, this is the greatest thing I've ever been a part of. And I've been a part of so many cool things. I mean, I have been very fortunate, very blessed, even in the times of darkness, being around very intelligent people, trying to, right? Because I always joke around about being attached to my hip, because I always want to be attached to somebody I can learn from, right? Great mentors, great leaders. Even if I was like nowhere near their level, I wanted to be at that level. I wanted to be around that. I wanted to be around success and great people, right? Why? What makes you tick? What makes you do the things you do? How can I be that? So this is what I love about our group. People like Scott and Palm, right? David, everybody that's in our rooms all the time. And Nana, right? All the people in our rooms. Being the light, helping each other out, doing the things. There's nothing cooler that I have ever been a part of, ever. And I've been a part of some really amazing things. So I appreciate everybody being here. And if I haven't said it enough, I need to say it more, but I really do. Everybody in here, you've all changed our lives, my life, my family's life. Right? I was able to retire my mother-in-law. She would have literally worked till the day she died. There's no way around that. There's no way around that. She was stuck in a trailer up north, right? Driving an hour to work every day. She would have been doing that until the day she died. Everybody here at American Dream Trading, you have 100% changed her life. She is fully retired in an amazing community. She's playing like mahjong every day. We take her to lunch every Saturday. We take her to breakfast every Saturday. And every Sunday, we all do church. We play games here. None of this would have been possible if it wasn't for American Dream Trading, right? So this is why the bottom of my heart, and every day, I want to thank all of you for being here, being a part of what we're doing. I appreciate it. And I know we have fun and we go off on tangents and sometimes, coach is politically incorrect and saying the wrong thing. I'm human. I have an opinion. Sometimes I don't like to hold my tongue, and that's, a fault of mine as a human being. But at the end of the day, listen, man, I love and I appreciate all of you. And I'm serious. We wouldn't be here at all. And some days it's hard for me, just like everybody. I'm like, oh man, I got to turn on the lights and the action, and I got to bring my A game and make sure it's full of energy and all the stuff. But listen, it's not because I don't love you guys. It's because I'm human. And sometimes I forget that. It's funny, I wrote in this today, as a matter of fact, literally, remember what I tell you guys every day to have your journal? Don't I say that every day? Watch, I want to show you guys. right? Okay. It's funny you said this, guy. I don't want to tear up, but anyways, I want to show you guys. Damn it. This was today.
That's okay, bro. Listen, that makes you human. That makes you different, bro. And I appreciate you for your honesty.
It's hard. You guys are making it hard. I don't know if you can read this. I don't want to read it because then I'm trying to. All right. Anyways, so it says gratitude. I'm thankful for the life I've created. Shit. Ugh.
You're good, bro. Man, you're good. Take your time.
Damn it. I wrote this morning, which is crazy. And then I said, ooh, damn it. And I said,
that's all right.
It said, how can I make tomorrow better? I said, I want to treat ADT like a startup and fight for what I've built, right?
Oh, Coach.
Damn it. But today, right? Literally, these were the words that I wrote today. That's why, that's why I wanted to bring it, because every day is a new day. Oh, I hate it when I do that.
That's
damn it. I hate that.
You're so good though. You're showing vulnerability, man. I love you for that. I do. That's what drew me to you. I'm just letting you know.
I know. I try not to. I'm just the older I'm just old and squishy. I got that hard exterior, but the inside's still that gush garbage that all of us men hate. All of us men hate it, and you know it. Oh, I appreciate you. So thank you, Scott. Thank you for bringing out the very best in all of us, my friend. Right? Positivity, right? Being the light, being a part of the community. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm going to take off on that note because now I'm all busted up. I got to get out of here because I don't want to look like the old man's crying up there again. I appreciate all of you. But
thank you, Coach.
Yeah, thank you.
From my heart, thank you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Listen, seriously, everybody make sure you're journaling, right? Make sure you're journaling every day. Hold yourselves accountable. I want you guys to be in your own headspace. I want you to be your own cheerleader. I want you to be your coach too, right? Because we're not with you 24 hours a day, and we're not clicking the buy and the sell button, and we're not there with your risk management. We can say everything, right? But it's not us sitting there with you. You are your own champion. You guys are all worth it. Ugh. Woo. You're worth it. Fight for yourself. You understand me? Take it seriously. Fight for yourself every day. Wake up, the smile on your face, because you choose whether it's a good day or bad. Regardless of what's happening around you, you can make the choice. It is simply a flip of the switch in your mind and the way you present yourself to the world. You'll either have a good day or a bad day, regardless of the crap and the garbage going on around you. You can make that choice today. Make that choice, gang. Make every day an amazing day. Every day you should feel blessed and loved. Even if other people aren't doing it, trust me, we all are thankful you're here, and we love and appreciate all of you. So if you haven't been told that in a long time, we love you and we appreciate you. I'm out of here. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. And always and forever, thank you to all of my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, and their family members. It's hard on them too, right? Thank you so much. And thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, go with Jesus. God bless. Everybody have an amazing day. I appreciate you all. Thank you for being here again. Appreciate
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, gang. I'm out. Thanks, Scott. Busted me all up.
Hey, Coach, anytime. I'll be there tomorrow.
Hey, moderators, put them on mute.
God bless you, Coach. Thank you.
Yeah.